New Industrial Development Scheme for Jammu and Kashmir. Government of India has formulated a new industrial development scheme for Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Industrial Development Scheme 2021 for the development of industries in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Industrial Development Scheme is a central sector scheme. Basically, it is a central sector scheme that aims to make the industrial developments to block in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Industrial Development Scheme 2021 is a central sector scheme that aims to make the industrial development central sector scheme. Basically, it is central sector scheme that is 100% is paid by the government of India, but not the uh, state. And the scheme aims to take the industrial development to the block level in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, which is first time in any industrial incentive scheme of government of India. First time in any industrial incentive scheme of government of India. That is industrial development to the block level in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. That is the first time in any industrial incentive scheme of government of India. The financial outlay of the proposed scheme is nearly 28,000 crore for the scheme for the period of 2021 to 2036 and 37. The scheme, while encouraging the new investment, also nurtures the existing industries in Jammu and Kashmir by providing them the working capital at the rate of 5% for 5 years. Working capital support also is provided. And what is the rate? At the rate of 5% for 5 years is being provided. So what is the main objective of this scheme is to generate the employment which directly leads to socio-economic development of the region. It aims at development of manufacturing as well as service sector units in Jammu and Kashmir. The scheme is made attractive for both smaller and larger units. It attempts for more sustained and balanced industrial growth in the entire union territory. The scheme has been simplified on the lines of ease of doing business by bringing out major incentive GST linked incentive scheme that will ensure less compliance burden without compromising on transparency. It is not a reimbursement or refund of GST, but gross GST is used to measure the eligibility for industrial incentive to offset the disadvantages that the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir faces. That is, it is attractive for both smaller and larger units. Basically, development of manufacturing as well as service sectors is priority has been taken, and the scheme has been simplified on the lines of ease of doing business and giving the one major incentive that is GST linked incentive that will ensure the less compliance burden without compromising on transparency. And also, it is a not reimbursement or refund of GST, not a reimbursement or refund of GST, but the gross GST is used to the gross GST is used to measure the eligibility for industrial incentive. That is, basically gross GST is used to measure the that is total number percentage of GST that is being paid. So the gross GST is used to measure the eligibility for industrial incentive to offset the disadvantages that the union territory may face. So the major impact and the potential is that the scheme is going to bring about the radical transformation in the existing industrial ecosystem of Jammu and Kashmir and emphasize on the job creation, skill development and sustainable development. It will attract new investment and nurturing the existing ones, thereby enabling the Jammu and Kashmir to compete nationally with other leading industrial developed states of the Union Territories. So we have seen about the Jammu and Kashmir Industrial Development Scheme, duration of the scheme, but that is from 2021 to 2036, and the purpose is for the development of the manufacturing and service sector. The incentives given under the scheme are given below as GST incentive scheme is given, but it is not reimbursement, but it is based on the gross GST to measure the eligibility. And also that is a centrally sponsored scheme, but not as a, it is not as a, it is a central sector scheme, but not a centrally sponsored scheme. Centrally sponsored scheme, the state role is not will be there, but in this case, central sector scheme and the state role is minimum. So, a new industrial development scheme from Jammu and Kashmir's scheme attempts for more a sustained and balanced industrial growth in the entire Union Territory.